Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create weekly meal planner in Airtable. So we'll start from scratch and it should create default base for you. You can get rid of some of the fields. Right? Once we get rid of that, we can move on to our primary field, turn that into auto number, right? Save that. Right, now once we are done with that, we can move to our field, and first field would be date. Right, so select that, choose the friendly date, include time 24-hour, then create field. Right, now the next thing is you will have to create the different time slots. Right, so we will use first slot to be say breakfast, right, and then create field. Then we choose lunch with single line text, then we choose dinner, right, again single line text, right. And if you are running say daycare or so, you can include snack. Then make sure to also add notes. Right, so how to use this type of weekly meal planner? Okay, first let me rename this. So weekly meal planner. So let's use something like this. Right, now let's see, it's today's date. Breakfast we have cereal, then lunch we have salad, and then egg bread as dinner menu. Right, you can add snack if you want, and finally notes. Right, create field and you have notes as well. Right, so we have like first entry here. Let's go with second, and if I have any particular places to add, let's say chicken, and then let's see rice, and then see toast and tea. Right, so we have some of these fields taken care of, and then we can move to another entry. Right, so here we have like coffee and biscuits, then we have like say biryani as lunch, and so on. Right, so I have added some of these, and you can do the rest in your planner. Right, so let's say if I want to create form for this, I will be using it, so I will set it to personal. Then you can even type the title, create new view. Now here you have the form ready, so you can go ahead and open it in new tab. So let's say I have like January 2, then breakfast we have coffee, then salad and chicken, then for dinner let's see curry and rice, then we have snacks, say chips, then notes. For this is change in menu, right, and submit. Right, once we have that, you can go to your grid view for planner. Right, and it should look something like this. Right, so you can keep on adding and it will auto generate the primary field along with your entries. So you can automate this, or you can even use Zapier to add different sources through which you can input the data into Airtable. So this was your meal planner in Airtable.